Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME Narzo 60 and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. Let's start with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example the messages, notes, browser, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen, and then we have to enter the settings. Now let's tap on the languages, and as you can see, this is the list of the languages or layouts which we've got currently applied. We've got only English, so let's tap on Add Keyboard, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available keyboards from which we can choose. Of course, you don't have to scroll, just tap on the search icon and enter the name of the language. However, I just wanted to show you that this list is really impressive, and for sure you will find the language you'd like to use. After finding, just tap on it and pick the region. Right here we've got the keyboard layouts, and the number of it depends on the specific language, because sometimes you will have only one layout to choose from, or even up to 7 different layouts. And basically all you have to do is to mark the layout you like to use, and possibly untick the option which you don't want to apply. So simply tap on Done to confirm, and as you can see, we've got the language added. If you want to leave only one language, so let's pretend that I want to use only Urdu language, I can remove the English right now. Simply tap on this edit icon, mark English, in my case of course, and then tap on the start button icon. However, let me leave it like this because I'd like to also show you how to use the keyboard with 2 or more languages added. So let's go back, and here we will have 2 differences. So the first one is the globe icon, which will allow us to change the layout. Currently I've got this kind of English layout, and after tapping on the globe icon I can easily type in Urdu. Other difference is the spacebar. It is not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using, so you can always check which one layout you've got currently applied. So as I said, this is how to use the keyboard whenever you've got more languages added. And again, let me come back to the options to remove one of the languages. As I said, tap on this edit icon and mark the language you'd like to delete. And I'd like to remove Urdu, so let's tap on trash bin icon. Right now we've got only English here, and after getting back to the keyboard you can see that we do not have the globe icon. The spacebar is empty, which means that we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.